Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kristen and today I'm going to be doing the first episode of designing my subscriber spaces. I am so excited to start this series with you guys and have you guys on my channel and just be a part of these videos with me. So today we're going to be helping one special subscriber virtually redesign and decorate their entire space. I've asked you guys to send me photos and videos of your space so I can redesign it on my end and show it to you guys through these YouTube videos. So let's meet our first subscriber and see what we're working on.
Hey Kristen, my name is Tiffany. I am from Montreal. I am 25 years old and I am a teacher in elementary school. So I really want to change my room. I need something new to be really cozy, to have a place to relax. And the decor that I really appreciate, the kind of the decor is the Scandinavian decor. I really like it. When I'm going on Pinterest and I'm looking at all of it, I'm like, oh my god, this is so cool. So white, a touch of green, a touch of wood, a touch of black. This is the kind of thing that I like, and I like really simple things, so I don't want something too explosive. So I guess you can help me. I need your help. Thank you, love you.
Alright, so Tiffany's the subscriber that we're going to be working with today. She has no idea, so if you're watching right now, Tiffany, we are redecorating and redesigning your space. I'm so excited. So if you guys didn't catch that, Tiffany is 25 years old. She's an elementary school teacher. She wants a Scandinavian designed bedroom. She wants it to be cozy and calm and relaxing and using colors like white, black, earthy tones with wood and a touch of green, she said. So that was her space that we're redesigning, her bedroom. In her message, she also said, I want to change my bed, my dresser, and find a way to dress my windows better. I want to get rid of the bookcase and have a smaller one. I also want more wall decor in the Scandinavian style, and I want a new couch. So there's a lot of changes we can make to your room, Tiffany, but you have a great space to start with. I don't know if you guys saw, she has great windows. It's a little dark in there, but that's just because I feel like there's a lot of heavy furniture that's like really taking up a lot of space, kind of sucking in all the light. I think we need to make this brighter, less cluttered, you know, lighter furniture, lighter lines, smoother lines, just more flow in the room, because there's kind of just big furniture pieces that aren't really placed in a very like user-friendly way. I feel like if you're gonna have a bed, what is the bed looking at? When you're on the bed, what can you see from there? If you're in the chair, what can you see from there? So I'm looking at this and seeing we're gonna have to change a little bit of the floor plan to just make the spaces make sense. I feel like you have a really good sized room, really love the windows, also really like that little hanging plant that you have in the corner. That can really go well with this whole Scandinavian design, so I'm letting you keep that. But by looking at her space, we have so much potential. The fact that she wants to change things and maybe go out and buy some new stuff also gives us a lot of room to like redesign it a lot. So I made up a floor plan of what I could kind of take from the photos that I was given. So I'm thinking this is what her room looks like from what I can see through the photos. There's no measurements, it's not exact, so she might look at it and say that's not exactly how it is, but for the most part, this is what I can see through the photos. She has a bed on one end, it's not centered to the wall. She has a big dresser right beside it with a door right beside it as well. I'm not really sure if that door leads out. It kind of does look like an exterior door, but since she wants to change her bed and her dresser, we can totally work out those problems there. Also, down the wall, she has a giant bookcase. That's what you see right when you walk in, and it's just heavy and tall. So I do want to make changes with that, but again, she said she wants to change that bookcase as well, so that's perfect. And in the corner beside the bookcase, she has an exercise bike, some shelving, a big lamp, and her floating plant from the ceiling. So there's a lot going on in that corner. She also has a very large lounge chair, which looks super comfy, but I think is taking up way too much space in this room and really not even pointed towards anything in particular. So I'm thinking we're gonna change that. It's not really pointed at the TV, and why would it be pointed at the bed? I don't know. If it's for conversation, I'm not really sure. But I think we're gonna change that up a bit. And then on the other wall, we have a really nice TV stand that I think we're gonna keep because I really like it. I feel like it could work with my redesign. We got the TV there, TV can stay. So that stuff's great. I just think maybe it needs a new home in this space, maybe on a different wall, maybe it's just somewhere else in the room. So we're gonna work that out in the redesign. Again, the TV isn't really in a space where you can really watch it from somewhere anyways, unless you're sitting sideways on the couch, or I don't really know if you can see it from the bed. So I just feel like it's in the wrong place. So again, I love her space. I love how long the room is. I love that the entrance is kind of separated and down like a tiny bit of a hallway. I love the windows and the fact that she has a door in her room. So we're just gonna really play off those things, and we're just gonna change up her floor plan just a little bit so it has a better layout in the space, and it'll just make it feel a lot more user-friendly, cozy, and comfortable. So let's just get started with the redesign. So now that we know a little bit more about Tiffany, we know what her space looks like, we know what we're working with, we know what style she wants her room to be. I went on Pinterest and started pinning a lot of the images that I liked that were Scandinavian, that I could grab inspiration from, that I think would really work in her space. So as you can see, the common theme throughout Tiffany's Pinterest board is white and black. There's touches of wood. The greenery is brought in through the plants, which I think is so fresh. It makes it look so great. You can see in Scandinavian design, it's very, very simple. Just like she said, she wanted a simple room, very clean lines, very simple shapes of furniture. So I feel like this is a perfect design style for Tiffany, and she knows exactly what she wants, and I think it's gonna look amazing. So I'm really excited to show you guys what I took from this Pinterest board and turned into a reality, kind of like a virtual reality, because this is e-design, virtual design. Anyways, from there, since she said she wanted new pieces and she wants to totally like get a new space, I thought Scandinavian, affordable, clean lines, color theme, IKEA is where it's at for this kind of design style. So I went on IKEA's website and found so many things that are gonna work so great with her space. I created an entire mood board for Tiffany using all the pieces that I found at IKEA for her. So this is what the mood board looks like. These are all the pieces that I went shopping for online, and I'm gonna link all these pieces down below in the description box. This will be Tiffany's shopping list if she wants to go out and pick these pieces and really pull through with this design. These are all the pieces that she's gonna need to successfully do it. So since Tiffany said she wanted a new bed, I went on IKEA and found this Nordly bed, which I think is awesome. It looks so Scandinavian to me. It's pretty much a floating bed on a frame. There's also drawers underneath it because I think she needs more storage, so I think that's a great option. The fact that it doesn't have a headboard or a footboard, it just looks very clean and Scandinavian, like cozy like. If you wanna make a headboard type thing, you can do pillows, large pillows, up the back of your wall. I think that would look so cozy. I think that really plays off the whole Scandinavian vibe. I think this is a really, really great option that will totally change up her space and give her a lot more room in her room. She also said she wanted to change up her dresser, and I found this Malm 6-drawer dresser that is actually way lower, cleaner lines, and what I thought would be perfect on top of that is this Stockholm circle mirror that's in a walnut color, and I just feel like that's adding in the woods that she wants. The shapes are just amazing. Circle mirrors are so in right now. They're also very Scandinavian and simple. As I said before, I love the hanging plant in her room, and I think it should stay, but I also think we should add more greenery in the space. It doesn't have to be real plants. I'm all about the fake plants. So there's a ton of fake plants on IKEA. There's hanging ones that you can hang from shelves, or just have really sturdy big floor plants, which I think will look so fresh and that will add so much life into this space. I feel like it's so important to have some greenery in there. Also playing off that natural woodsy cozy feel, jute rugs and faux fur rugs. Those are definitely needed for this Scandinavian design. The faux fur rug is amazing to throw over chairs, over stools, over benches, or literally just to lay on the ground and make it really warm and cozy. Probably one of my favorite things I chose for Tiffany's space is this beautiful Stockholm chair. It is so, so nice and airy and just perfect and totally ties in the design. I think this is a really great option instead of her lounge chair. So I think if she replaces it for like more of a decorative chair, that would be so beautiful and really, really tie together the space. Another thing that's one of my favorites in here that I think really like touches on Tiffany personally is this amazing chalkboard at IKEA. It's like an organizing chalkboard, and I think it looks really decorative and you could use it as wall decor. And I think since she's a teacher, you know, chalkboards, I think it works really well. And lastly, she said she wants to change up her bookshelf and have a smaller bookshelf. And I'm thinking this one is a lot smaller because it's slimmer, you can see through it, there's a lot more air that can pass through. It's just a lot more aesthetically pleasing. But I'm thinking I really like the height of it, and I don't want everything in the room to be low, so I think having that height of the tall shelf will be great, just not placed in the same place she had her shelf. I'm also thinking all white fluffy duvet. This is just the duvet that came on the bed like photo, but I'm thinking if you have a very thick plush duvet, you can get them from IKEA as well. I've linked that in your shopping list as well. And lastly, to add that cozy feeling she wants, I love working with lanterns. I feel like they're the perfect color scheme for this design, and just they add a lot of scale and like dramatic effect to things, and they work perfectly for the Scandinavian design. So I included some lanterns from IKEA as well that are so great. Anyways, that mood board totally shows what I would put in her room if I were to ever come over and shop with you. I would go buy those things because I think they would look amazing together in your space. Now that you saw what I would buy for her space to totally transform it into a Scandinavian design decorated room, I'm going to show you guys her new reworked floor plan, how we changed things, how we implemented all of those things from IKEA into her space, and how it totally changes the whole look. I love this floor plan. I feel like it works so well with her space, with her windows, with her walls, her closet, everything. We didn't change too much. We just really worked it out so it all makes more sense. So we kept the bed where it was, just shifted it over so it's centered with the wall. Instead of her big tall dresser beside her bed, we have a little nightstand with a lamp. We moved the new dresser over to the other wall. So right when you walk in, you see the low dresser, you see the mirror. It really brightens up the space. Also adding some big bushy greenery and a jute rug underneath the bed really helps ground that space and separates that side of the room from the other side of the room. And then our amazing chair from IKEA. This one isn't the exact same one, it's black, but it looks pretty similar. Out by the window, I feel like that's a nice little reading nook. She can still have her hanging plants over top, her lamp, whatever she wants, but I feel like that looks really nice in the corner there. But I feel like this is really versatile. I really like the layout on this side of the room. And then we kept our same TV stand and the TV over top because I feel like that really worked with the space. The white went really well with the rest of the stuff that I chose. And now that the TV is in front of the bed, it has like a purpose. You know, you can watch TV in bed. That's really cozy. Watch Netflix, whatever you want to do. But I feel like that really helps like make the space really cozy because you can use it like a living room, like a bedroom. You know, there's a lot of purpose going on in here, so I really love that. And then instead of having her tall chunky bookcase right when you walk in, we moved it to the other wall so you can't really see it right when you walk in, but once you're in the space, it adds that extra storage, it adds that design element, and it adds that height so everything is not too low to the ground. Alright, now that you guys are really understanding this space, you guys are getting my design, you guys see where I'm going with this, you guys can see all the furniture I'm using, where I'm putting it. Now we're gonna be doing before and afters. I don't think you guys expected me to do this because I don't know if you guys knew. Obviously, I'm not showing up to your house. How would I show you it done? I did some 3D renderings to show you guys what it would look like by implementing all the things from IKEA into her actual space so you guys can see a complete before and after without it really even being done. But if Tiffany ever does follow through with this design, this is what her before and after will look like. I really love this transformation. I feel like it worked out perfectly. It seems like exactly what she asked for. Calm, cozy, Scandinavian, clean and simple. I feel like this nailed it and this is exactly what it is. So Tiffany, if you like this design and you want to follow through with the design plan, I have everything provided for you here. I have the shopping list down below. I have the visual plans for you in this video and all the inspiration boards and before and afters that you need to complete the look yourself. So I think that's such a great thing that I can provide these videos for you guys. And if you guys really want to complete what I've done for you guys, you pretty much just follow the video and I think you guys could do it. You guys have no idea how much fun I had completing this for Tiffany. This was so much fun all week just designing her space. I feel like, you know, I was Tiffany's personal designer through the internet, virtual design. I really hope this video helped you, Tiffany. It was so nice meeting you over video. You're so sweet and kind and thank you so much for your great images and your great video. It worked out so well and I love having it part of my video. So welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for being on my channel today. I hope it was a pleasant surprise for you and I really hope it can help you redesign your space. So that's it for the first episode of designing my subscriber spaces. That was so much fun for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this series. I hope you guys are ready for the next one next week. The cool part about this is that next video could be someone's bathroom or it could be someone's dining room or their kitchen or their living room, and it doesn't always have to be a bedroom. So whatever rooms you guys want to send me, you guys know what to do. Take photos of the space that you want redesigned, record your video introducing yourself and tell me what design style you like and everything about you that I need to know, and send it through my Instagram DMs and I'm accepting them all there. I hope this first episode helped you guys understand understand what I'm gonna be doing on my end, so you guys can send me everything you guys need on your end. I'm accepting new people every single week. Obviously, I'm constantly looking at my DMs to see what rooms are coming in so I can choose the space that I'm gonna be redesigning the next week. So you guys are always welcome to send in your rooms. I'm so excited to get to all of them, and I can't wait to have you guys on my channel. So make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you guys like this series that I'm doing, and make sure to subscribe to my channel so you guys don't miss any episode and any new videos coming on my channel next week. Comment down below if you guys want to be on the series next. Tell me what room you guys want to do, and I'm so excited to look through the DMs and try and find you guys. Oh, I'm so excited. So love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next videos. Bye!